this grow. 27 years, I make too much, so it's out the door I go. I've been downsized, reorganized. They say I'm past my prime. I used to have experience. Now all I got is time. 27 years, I did their dirty work. 27 years, I was treated like a jerk. 27 years, I jumped when they said jump. Now it's time to reap the profits, and they played me like a chump. I've been downsized, reorganized. They say I'm past my prime. I used to have experience. Now all I got is time. Personal, your work has been just fine. If you need a reference, call me anytime. Business is business, happens every day. Sign right here for the last check. There ain't no severance pay. Son of a bitch. 27 years, they made use of my skill. 27 years, they used up my goodwill. 27 years, they had my loyalty. The boss's son just graduated, now there ain't no room for me.